Keith Segura from Woodhill Small Batch Barbecue is going to teach you how to fry up some bologna.
So what we're doing is it's bologna, but it's aptly called a Redneck Ribeye. All you're going to do is you're just going to score it. I just go from crease to crease, and it doesn't have to be fancy. I have our product here, honey mustard from Loose Hog. So I'm just going to slather it a little bit, goes a long ways. The rub I like to use is called Texas Oil Dust. A friend of mine, Aaron Leslie, out of Texas. Fire up your Green Mountain Grill. I run them about 250, 275. Fire your Green Mountain Grill up. You're going to get a really, really good smoke ring on it. There we go, folks. Step on up, get yourself a sample of some Redneck Ribeye. Thanks, everybody. We appreciate you coming out.